December 2023 brings a powerful AI-powered search engine to Krotos Studio, plus 15 room tone presets for you to explore and use in your projects. The new AI-powered search engine uses machine learning to return more results with every search without the need to know the preset names. This feature is still in beta and will continue to be refined, but this is a step in an exciting direction to return more valuable results within the search function in Krotos Studio. Room tone is the natural quietness of any indoor or outdoor space, and they are an essential part of the sound effects for your videos. We've introduced 15 room tone presets that you can add to your scenes. Each of these presets has 4 unique sounds that you can use just one of, or combine them for more dense room tones. From cities, computers, fields and farms, fire pits, forests, laboratories, mechanical workshops and more, you can fine-tune the pitch and the stereo width of these sounds quickly and easily with the Krotos Studio interface. Log into Krotos Studio to install the new update, download the new presets and start creating Hollywood sound in seconds.